while ago I reported on sailboat being washed up called the Wanderer. It's still there, but it decided to throw a party. It's invited another little yacht and its big brother to come along. Yes, we had suddenly southwesterly swell coming through again, and this brought more tragedies. The thing is, you know, they drop an anchor and then decide to go home and leave the boat. No good here when you've got southwesterlies coming through. It's not a very good idea at all. Looks like Lady Strays maybe had a few visitors. Their companionway is fully open now. Batteries have been, yeah, it's had a few visitors. People just checking to see what they can get. Nice wee boat, but absolutely robbed now. Yeah, this one here is a little bit more expensive than the last one. This is a Feeling. It's obviously been on anchor. The chain's on front. Now I can't see the anchor, whether it's actually dragged it into the sand or whether it's just disappeared. Oh, expensive. Rudder's totally destroyed. It's been someone's pride and joy, definitely. It said it's got solar panels, Mercury outboard still on the back, grill. Oh no. Oh, this has had a hard time. From Gdansk. This has definitely had a hard time. And as you can see, there's been no one on board, no one to make sure that it didn't go wandering. That's a nice big boat. It's been someone's pride and joy, definitely. 700. Whether this chain is broke or come loose from this anchor, I honestly don't know. There is still boats out here, as you can see. The swell is still kicking up on the other side of the rocks. This southerly southwesterly is not nice in this area. No idea why they didn't get a bit up here. Looks like it's well dug in. The anchor chain comes all the way up here. I don't know. Of course, this is where the high tide would be. Ah, yes. It's the end of the chain. It's broke away from its anchor. That's why you don't leave a boat unattended. Well, guys. This old girl has definitely seen better days, but I was watching her the other day and thinking, my God, wouldn't she make a beautiful liveaboard? As you can see, her anchor chain is still deployed, so she was definitely on anchor. There's the anchor going sail here. Unfortunately, it's going to be nearly a week before we have high enough tides to even try to refloat her. I don't know what flag that is. An American. She's been a beauty at one time. Just now she's a rust bucket. Fisherman's anchor on this side. Oh, no, it's not. It's not fisherman's. It's a cut out. Good time to scrape the bottom. They make a beautiful liveaboard. So it's all set up with solar panels. But once again, there was no one on board. I'm trying to get a rough idea what size that is. It's a 50-metre boat, 160 foot. That's going to take some moving. Hopefully when the next high tide comes, if the owners are here, they'll be able to float her back off. But at the moment, she's a tourist attraction. It's a beautiful beach, this. And the Marina de Portimao, straight across the other side. I mean, okay, it would be expensive to put her in the marina, but not as expensive as trying to remove her from a beach.